Bosch impact driver. Not running. Something to do with oil, he says. I don't know if it was dropped in oil or leaking oil or something. Battery's fully charged. Works 9. So, the impactor. So, it's not switching on. We'll get in, let's see what it does. There's another problem. Change lever's not working, so somebody's been in this already. Ah, that will be the why. Right, problem with the switch. Don't know if it's failed or somebody's opened it. As you can see, wipers are bent. These wee boys here. Right, that's what we're looking for. New switch. If you want to know if any machine is pro grade, professional tool, look up the breakdown and see if you can buy the switch separately. If you can't buy the switch on its own, it's not a professional tool. Professional tool manufacturers know this is the weak spot in the tool. This takes all the abuse, this is what gets knocked about, this is what can wear out. So if they're professional, they want the tool to last, they'll sell this switch separately. If they don't want you to fix it. That's the part number. That's your part. One new switch. Just plugs on. Simple as that. Everything else in this thing, all potted, sealed. Can't get anything into the controller, so it's all basically waterproof. Shouldn't be a problem. Switch is generally going to be the weak spot. That's it. One switch. Now, he did do a wee bit of damage to the housing here. Obviously tried to open it already. So been prying at that with a screwdriver trying to get it open. I didn't realise these screws had to come out before it opened up. But should be okay. Yeah, still closes okay. On Bosch impactor GDX18V-200. Fixed up and running again. New switch fitted. Thanks for watching, lads. Don't forget to hit like and follow if you like the video. Cheers.